All right, today we're doing another walk around of just a lawn tractor. This is another DLT3000. This one's really fast. You can tell by the flames that are on it. The thing just smokes, huh? Anyway, so this one is not mine. I have two of them, as you might know from my other videos that I do some work on from time to time. This one is a little different in that mine are hydrostatic. This one is a 6-speed transmission. As you can see from the fender right there, it says 6-speed. Also, mine has V-twin engines. One has a V-twin Kohler, another has a V-twin Briggs. This one just has a one lunger right here, an 18.5 horsepower Intech Plus. Pretty common engine. What I've mentioned in the past is a DLT3000. I think that the D in DLT stands for deluxe. Don't know for certain. No definitive information on that. But there is a LT series out there, and I believe that means lawn tractor or light tractor. The D, I think, means deluxe because there are extra features on here. The main one that I always see is that the front axle there is made out of cast iron, or some of the other tractors by Craftsman and Husqvarna and Poulan, all made by the same company, have like a sheet metal axle, but it says cast iron. So there's other bells and whistles too. I probably am not remembering right now. But we're looking at a 42-inch deck, like most of them, and pretty standard stuff. But I like mine, and I hope this guy likes his. So there you go, quick walk around of another DLT3000 Craftsman lawn tractor. All right, while we're here, let's take a look at the model and serial number. There we go. Looks like this one was made in 2004, so got a couple of years on it, but it's looking good. And it's running the Peerless transmission by Tecumseh. So